Bonjour, comment allez-vous? Hello, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Lunch with Anubhav. If you have already subscribed to my channel, press the bell icon to get the latest updates. In today's class, we are continuing with CBSE Class 12 Sample Paper Solving for the batch 2024-25. Uh, of course, the subject is French, and this is the part 6. Till now, we have completed section A, section C, and section D. So in this video, we are starting section B, which is Expression Écrite or the writing section. Right. So first three videos are of course going to be letter writing. So as per the sample paper, it's question number 3. The credit for this sample paper, of course, goes to CBSE. It's just that I'm discussing the answers here to help you out. Also, letter questions are subjective. As long as the content is relevant and you have met the word limit, grammatical and vocab errors are minimum, format is correct, the answer is fine. So the answer that I will be writing here is one of the possible solutions. Right. Question is, écrivez une lettre à votre correspondant français ou correspondante française à propos d'un voyage aux montagnes que vous avez récemment fait. So you write to your pen pal, French pen pal, regarding a trip to the mountains that you recently did. Okay, recently, like a week or within a month, like that. So you can take up any hill station. Like the last hill station that I visited was Mount Abu, so hence I'm going to write about Mount Abu. Right. You can write about any hill station of your choice, and let's start writing. So I've written the first paragraph already. I've written the date, the day, and the place from where I'm writing. Leaving this line where I've written the place, on the immediate next line, I did the opening salutation, chez Paul. Dear Paul. Some indentation left. However, this gap, you give this gap, you do not give this gap, doesn't matter. As for the CBSE marking scheme, okay, whether there's indent or there's no indent, it's fine. It does not lead to a deduction of mark. Okay. Comment vas-tu? How are you? J'espère que tu vas bien. I hope you are doing well. Aujourd'hui, je vais te raconter mon voyage à Mount Abu la semaine dernière. Okay. So today I'm going to narrate to you about my trip to Mount Abu that I did in the uh, previous week, last week, right? Voyage à Mount Abu. Oh, some words are missing. Sorry for that. Que j'ai fait la semaine dernière. Okay, fine. Now leave a line for the sake of neatness, of course. And now we are gonna start writing the body. So first to write about like you went alone or you went with your family, how many days were you there, right? Like that. So j'y suis allé avec ma famille. I went there with my family. Et nous y sommes restés pour 3 jours and we stayed there for 3 days. Okay. C'est une station de montagne. Also, the word limit is 80 mots. Okay, 80 words. Montagne situé au Rajasthan. Okay, it's a hill station located in Rajasthan. Then talk about the places you visited. So nous avons visité plusieurs lieux célèbre. For example, le lac Naki Lake. Like the reason why it's called Naki Lake, as much as I can recall, I can't recall the whole story, but that's what the guide told us that someone dug the lake with nails. Okay, so I can't really recall the full thing. Okay, so Lalak Naki, it's a beautiful place by the way. Brings back all the memories of the trip I had. Lalak, Naki. Probably I can plan out to have a travel diary, like of Mount Abu trip that I had. If I have sufficient video clips, and uh, photos in my camera, I can definitely plan out to have a travel diary. Okay. Par exemple, Lalak, Naki, sur lequel nous avons fait du bateau. Of course, we need to tell about the activities that you did as well. So on the Lucky Lake, we did boating, right? Uh, then il y avait de nombreux temples aussi, comme le temple d'Elvara. Beautiful temple complex, I must say. It's a Jain temple, and there are like 4 to 5 smaller temples within the same complex. Everything is made with marbles. Of course, photography is not at all allowed inside, and the place is lovely. We visited 2 to 3 more temples and another city as well in doing that trip, which is Nathdwara. But certainly, we are talk about hill station only, so I'll keep it limited. And the word limit is also limited, so I can't really narrate my entire trip like that, right? Since we have a word limit, and as I said, I might plan to make a travel diary if I have sufficient pictures and video clips. Okay, I'll definitely do it. Comme le temple d'Elvara, qui est connu, which is famous, qui est, or which is known rather, which is known, qui est connu, connaître, pour ses sculptures en marbre, for its marble sculptures. Right, of course. Uh, en marbre, oh, no, yes. After that, something about the food, la nourriture était excellente. Nous avons essayé les repas locaux. This sentence can work in every letter like this, that the food was amazing, we had tried the local dishes. Let me just quickly check the recording if it's going on fine or not. Yes, it's going on perfectly fine. The text is clear. Yes, it is clear. Okay, what else we are gonna write? Okay, les repas locaux, something about shopping. Moreover, the plus. Nous avons fait beaucoup d'achats. Okay, we did a lot of shopping. And c'était l'une des expériences les plus mémorables de ma vie. See, in a question like this, from here up to here, this much is applicable in all places, right? Uh, all the hill stations, you can write these 3 to 4 lines, or if you are narrating about a trip, these 3 4 lines will be common, right? See, these lines are talking about something specific. I didn't add about anything about the hotel and few more travel places as well because word limit is limited, right? So you need to mention that much as is required. And as I said, in such questions, multiple answers are possible. You can talk about any place, any hill station, and you can talk about if you have done camping, maybe you can talk about camping, right? It's just that practice beforehand. Don't experiment in the last minute by adding new sort of things, right? So it was one of the most memorable memories of my life. Perfect. Now we are putting a halt to the second para, the last one. C'est tout pour aujourd'hui. That's all for today. Prends soin de toi et écrivez bientôt. Take care of yourself and write to me soon. Okay. BC XYZ. If to a question like this, you write like what I have written, easily 8.5 plus out of 10. Why? Format, okay. Grammar, vocab, okay. Word limit is also okay. Right. Thematic relevance, yes, it is. And 8.5, I'm stating if there's strict marking, otherwise, easily 9 or 9.5. 10 is rare to get in a letter. 10 is actually rare. So, at least 8.5 to 9.5 you can easily get if you write like this, given that your presentation is also neat and your handwriting is also legible and clear. Okay, with this, let's put a halt here. Say to Pujudi, that's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my new channel, Learn French with Anubhav. And if you have any doubts or suggestion, you may write that in the comment section below. You may also like my Facebook page by the same name, Learn French with Anubhav. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Au revoir. N'oubliez pas que la prononciation c'est l'amour.